Hey there. Today I'm going to answer the frequently asked question, which is, how much do engineered wood floors cost? It's a big question. There's so many different types of engineered hardwood floors on the market. So this video is just going to give you a brief understanding of how much an average engineered wood floors cost so you can know what to expect. Before you go out shopping and spending all your time and not having an understanding of your budget, let me help you get a budget together and tell you how we do things so that way you can be prepared. So first of all, the average engineered hardwood floor installation, when you include everything you need to do, ranges somewhere between $8 and roughly $10. There's a pretty big divide or a big gap there, only because the quality of products is huge, the range of products is huge, and they all have different price points. Some engineered hardwoods, just the material only, can cost $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13. But your average run around $4 somewhere in there for a decent quality product, $4 to $5, okay? So the install price itself for just the engineered hardwood is $4.75. Let me tell you what that includes. Tearing out all of your carpet, hardwood, tile, anything that you've got on the floor right now, ripping all that up, disposing of it. It includes also all of the slab preparation that you're gonna need. Some companies come at you with a really low install number, but they're not including every single thing that you do, that they need to do in order to properly prepare your floor. Every single slab in Texas needs to be floated and grinded in order to make it flat. If your company is not gonna do that and they're not telling you how much they expect to use, you should probably be concerned. You should probably find another company. We are experts at this. We do this day in and day out. It's all we do. We don't do carpet. We don't do tile. Okay. We don't do remodeling. We don't do any of that stuff. We just do hardwood floors, and we're the best at it for a reason. So we know what it's going to take, right? So going back to that price point, that $4.75 includes all of that material rip out and disposal. It includes grinding and floating the floor with Mapei planning patch, which is the best float patch that's on the market. We use it on every single job, only the best for our customers because we know it works and we don't like headaches, right? So we float every single job to make it as flat as possible. Then we come back, we use Mapei 980 EcoBond glue. It's the best glue on the market in my opinion. There's a lot of other really good quality adhesives out there, but we use the same one every time because it works and it's tried and true, and we've been doing this for years. Okay, that could change if the formula changes on the product or something like that. We'll find another good one. There's a number of other ones out there, but for day in and day out use, that product is great, and that's why we use it. Okay, so on all the products we use that same process. So it's the tear out, the slab prep, and the labor to install. It also includes removing and resetting the baseboards, or adding shoe molding or quarter round to the baseboards if they're there. Depending on the product and depending on your situation, it may be better to add a shoe mold or quarter round, or if we really would rather be able to remove it and then reset the base, okay? Because it looks really good at the end of the install. What it doesn't include painting, furniture moving, or any of these other ancillary things that have nothing to do with hardwood floors, okay? So all of those are included in that $4.75 price. Then you just had to tack on your product price. And again, we carry every single product pretty much on the market. There's a price point for everyone. So you could get a $2 square foot hardwood if you really wanted to. I don't suggest it because it's not the best, but $3, $4, $5 hardwood, engineered hardwoods are really good quality. They have great finishes on them, and there's tons of options. So if you're looking to do engineered hardwood, you're in North Texas, call me, Hunter Ross, Wood Floors of Dallas. Be happy to take care of you. My number is 972-525-0026. You can find us, or you can email me at info at woodfloorsofdallas.com, or you can @ us at woodfloordallas on every platform, social media. So that's Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, you name it, we're at woodfloordallas. I look forward to talking to you, look forward to helping you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Please like us on Facebook and on Google and YouTube, all that kind of stuff, and follow us for more videos. Thanks. Have a good day.